Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make an authentic South Indian dish that's called as a pickle. But this time I'm gonna make it a little bit of variety using the green apples. Normally in South India we have a variety of pickles made with ginger, garlic, fish, meat, and all those things. But this time let's catch up a variety using green apples.
Let's go through the ingredients first before cooking. So I used here 4 green apples, 5 garlic and 2 long pieces of ginger and green chili 5. I use a Thai green chili which we get in the stores here in Canada, and then mustard seeds 2 teaspoon, salt 4 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and Kashmiri chili powder. I use nearly 3 teaspoons of it. Now let's go ahead with cooking. Now let's go ahead and chop the green apple.
There are a couple of benefits for having green apple. The green apple it actually have a lower glycemic index than the red apples, and also if you are planning or if you are on a weight loss journey, definitely this is gonna aid for your weight loss journey. And also it's loaded with a lot of fibers too, so it's really good for your health. And yeah, I'm a person who is very conscious about the food that I eat, so that's the reason why I chose green apple in a pickle.
So here is a green apple sliced into pieces, and here is garlic, and next is chopped ginger and the green chilies. And here is a sliced version of green apple, green chili, garlic, and finally the ginger. Now let's go to the battlefield with the pans ready. Come on. Here is the oil dripping. So I nearly took around 3 full tablespoons of coconut oil. It gives a beautiful aroma for South Indian dishes. And here is the mustard seeds. It starts popping out when you put it in hot oil. So basically the oil should be hot and you put in your mustard seeds. And here comes garlic. This is the chopped version. I normally chop it just to half. Yeah. And then here comes the ginger. We are now adding green chili, the chopped version, into the mix, and let's saute it until it changes into a light to medium brown. It should not go deep brown. And let's add salt to it. I added nearly 4 teaspoons of salt into it, and just mix and mix. And then I added a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then with 3 teaspoons of chili powder. We call it as Kashmiri chili powder. Definitely Kashmiri chili powder is not too spicy nor hot. It gives a good red color to your pickle, and I love using it. And now let's go ahead and add apple cider vinegar. This is the organic one we get in Costco here. So I added nearly half a bowl of the vinegar and keep on stirring and stirring. Let's go ahead and add the star of the show, the green apples. Now let's mix it very well such that the green apple is coated with your masala and the vinegar.
This is a green apple pickle and it's ready and it tastes yummy. I swear it. Have a great day and wishing you all the yummy food. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until we meet next, goodbye.